It is now time for the MVP awards, and giving out the awards will be Scott Wilkerson. If you put your hands together, thank you so much.
Thank you, Paul. Thank you. This is my second opportunity to give out the MVP awards. I was able to do it last year, and it's pretty exciting because this year we did something a little bit different. We went ahead and took nominations from the community, and people nominated other community members to receive the awards, as well as we had some internal input. Community really is what makes Nagios what it is. That's kind of why we decided to do the contest that we set up with log servers, because it's the add-ons and the extensions to our products that make them so great. So the following members are the recipients this year. We have 5 recipients, which is more than we've ever had in the past. The first gentleman that I'm going to bring up to the stage for a long time has been coming to Nagios conferences, learned a lot of information about Nagios, and shared a lot with other people. He happens to be a Nagios consultant. In the last year, he actually took on a personal challenge to win an iPad. And this gentleman jumped on our forums, and between May and today has 476 posts on the forums. 100% of them were helping other people with their problems, and that's just great. So that gentleman is Mr. Eric Lloyd. The next recipient is a wonderful lady who has been a Nagios core contributor, most specifically in testing in a high volume, high production environment. She's worked closely with our core developers to develop the new JSON CGIs, where we can pull JSON data out of the Nagios core engine. In addition to that, last year, when our government was crazy enough to shut down for a while, she took the initiative upon herself to actually present while she wasn't being paid, and that's Ms. Janice Singh from NASA. The third recipient this year, over the past year, has spent numerous hours with our technical team working on various bugs that they've uncovered and expanding the capabilities specifically of Nagios XI. He also has created a Mod Gearman user interface component that extends the capabilities of XI to be able to view your Mod Gearman installations and manage them right from within the UI, giving the Nagios products even more awesomeness. So that is Mr. Brian Heaton from Agile Networks. So the fourth recipient this year is actually a partner of ours. She has found countless bugs and assisted us through the process of internationalization of Nagios XI and other products. Finding various internationalization bugs and usability, we were able to take that information and translate those errors, so to speak, into to other languages as well. Literally thousands of lines of code have been translated into Japanese by this lady. Most recently, we put out a new version of Nagios XI 2014 1.5, and I had a translation file in my inbox the next morning, less than 24 hours later. And that is Miss Sasaki-san from Jupiter Technology. Awesome, congratulations. Get careful, it's very heavy. So the final recipient this year is actually a 3-time MVP winner. He actually currently works as a Nagios contractor, and I've had the pleasure of being able to work side by side with this gentleman for the last about 2 months. He's the self-proclaimed first person to ever write a Nagios XI wizard and a Nagios XI component without any instructions. And he's helped our team by being able to shift our clock to the other side of the world. And that's Mr. Troy Lee. Troy Lee's been doing consulting with Nagios XI, offering us the ability to provide support in other time zones, and we really appreciate all that you've done. So everybody smile for a nice picture. The 2014 Nagios MVPs. Congratulations, you guys.